Before we get started, make sure you subscribe and click that bell so you're notified every time I post another video like this one, sponsored by Gorgius Wigs. I am so in love with this unit. You guys know how I feel about braided units, all right? And this unit is for the win. Okay, let's talk about it. Now, I need you to peep game and see that all of the jewels are already on this unit. So all of the jewels and, you know, yarn and all of that you see on this unit, it comes like that. I did not do that myself, all right? So I'm in love with this because it makes it so easy, and the baby hairs are extremely customizable. So you can do what you want to do, but I do want to make one small little note. When I say this lace was so easy to melt into my skin, and when I say that this wig will look just like your skin, that is exactly what I mean. But for myself, you know, I was being ghetto and I didn't feel like doing the whole ball cap method, so you will see a little bit, not like that, not like this, not that bad, but you will see the cap through the wig just a little bit. But that's my fault, not this unit at all. So now I'm using my favorite foam wrap, all right, and more on that coming soon. But I'm using my favorite foam wrap, and I'm just going to go ahead and push these baby hairs back so I can put this unit on, cut the lace off, and then I'm gonna come back and pluck some of these baby hairs because it's just me. Maybe you like it, but just for me, I don't like really thick baby hairs. It's just not my thing. So stick around to the end. This is really self-explanatory. I'm just going to show you how I prepared this unit from beginning to end, and then I'm going to show you about 3 different styles that you can do with this unit. All right, I love you guys, and this is my new fave. You're going to see this here on my channel so many times, and the next time you see it, I won't have the cap on, I promise.
A dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could laugh of a little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no.
now we're finishing on up, but really quick, I did want to mention this, and I know a couple of you are gonna be like, oh no, don't explain, but I'm just saying, I have been working like a mad scientist, and I didn't get a chance to clean my background all the way up, so all of my paperwork and experiments and all of my data and stuff behind us in the video, like, listen, get into it. Let it make you feel smart. I don't know. Okay. I love you guys so much. If you want to get your hands on this unit, make sure you click the link in the description box below. Check out everything that's down there. I have some codes and even more for you. So again, make sure you check the description box below and shop. Tell them Send sent you when you get there. Okay.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, your applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper. You with a big stepper who chasing the cheddar. All of these women, they not on your level. You like a mix of business and pleasure. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. 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 Yeah. Damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this air. TNT going off in here. Ain't we up there? Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, cause you always want.
So, I'm done filming for today. As you can see, my bun then did something else. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. What matters is this bad boy been on all day. And there is no slippage. But I'm about to go outside and chillax and blow some of this stress away. Let it flow out. Don't worry about how it's flowing out. Just know I'm about to be blessed. I'm so blessed. Never stressed, just blessed. But really great protective style for you to have, because under this you can have your hair in this braid pattern, or you know, whatever you're doing. You can still follow the 7-day challenge, cleanse your scalp whenever you need to. If you're a person who goes to the gym all the time and you're sweating in the scalp, boo, you can take this thing off real quick, right while you're in the sauna, real quick. Wipe your not while you're in the sauna. Ooh, don't take your wig off while you're in the sauna. After you get out the sauna, get in the shower, you can go ahead. You can either do it at the gym. I think you should get home and do it. And then whenever you get in the shower, after you get out, go ahead and take some rose water or some witch hazel on a cotton ball. Rub that over your scalp. Sit under a hooded dryer for a second. Allow those braids to dry. And then go ahead on about your business. Okay, go ahead on about your business. And then once your braids dry, you can go back and forth between your braided wig and whatever, however you want to be walking around the house. But this is a really easy way for you to have a braided style, because let's tell the truth, everybody doesn't want to do the type of lace wig that requires you to do baby hairs, that requires you to, you know, curl the hair, get the press and comb, lay the lace. I didn't have to do none of that with a braided wig. You literally do what you saw me do in this video. You're literally only braiding the hair down, focusing on your scalp health and nothing else. So you braid the wig down and then you go ahead and apply it, and you could do it with Got2b or something that is something that you could take off with water. Cleanse the scalp every night and then keep it going. This is how I am able to retain length, and this is how so many women are able to retain length. Weaves and wigs are not bad. Weaves and wigs have been worn by women and men of all races since the beginning of time. This, in my opinion, is one of the best protective styles that you can get, because I can go ahead, take some water, spray it down, keep it moving. So I love you guys so much, and until my next video.